How to update the Indodax app to the latest version. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the search bar at the top. Type Indodax and look for the official app with a recognizable logo and the developer name listed as Indodax. If an update is available, you will see an update button instead of open. If you don't see the update button, don't worry, it means your app is already up to date. Tap the update button and the app will start downloading the latest version. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a few moments. Once the update is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Log in with your existing credentials and you will have access to all the latest features, improvements, and bug fixes. The updated version may also improve app performance and enhance your trading experience. Regularly updating the app ensures your account stays secure, you can access the newest tools, and you can navigate the dashboard smoothly while checking market prices, trading cryptocurrencies, and managing your portfolio. Now you know how to update the Indodax app to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.